Welcome back. Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Felicia Heavican about sending cows out to pasture. But now, Felicia, you're back to share a recipe with us. What do you have here today?
Today, I just have a simple meatloaf recipe. I am a mom of 4 kids, and I need easy meals. This one's quick to put together, and the kids eat leftovers of it. So
it's a classic Midwestern meal.
Yep, and you know, coming from a beef farm, ground beef is a staple. So. Pretty simple ingredients. I kind of just brought the bowl of mixed ingredients already for you today. Usually I'd use my hands, but I didn't want to get them dirty today. I just load everything into my dish, and I'm just going to leave it like that for right now.
All right.
I will sprinkle the top with brown sugar for my family. And I've seen online that some people usually mix all 3 of these ingredients, the ketchup, mustard, and brown sugar, into a glaze. But my kids usually like to help, so I let them squirt it all across the top.
It's a good way to get them involved.
Yep, and who doesn't love sugar? And then usually I put this in the oven for about 50 to 55 minutes, or internal temperature of 160, I believe.
All right.
Yep, and my kids love this part.
Squirting on the ketchup. Do they ever make a mess with it?
Always. Always a mess. And then just add some mustard on top and woo, woo.
Squirt it out a little bit there.
And I know, like I said, some people said they usually do a glaze, which I'm sure makes it look more appealing, but my kids love to do the squirting. And again, usually I'll fill the hamburger to the top.
All right.
Yep. And really easy to heat up leftovers.
And what ingredients do you put into your mix?
There's hamburger, obviously, onion powder, Worcestershire sauce.
Way to go.
Yep. What else is in there? Egg and breadcrumbs and a little bit of milk.
All right.
Yes.
People can find that recipe on our website, but I think I'm going to give this a try.
Oh,
we'll
good
see
luck.
how you did. I like how it stays together too.
Thank you. A tip I read online, not credit for me, but once you pull it out of the oven, let it sit for a little bit and it'll stay juicier that way.
It is juicy and all the flavors are packed in there. Definitely something that I would love to make for my family someday.
Yes.
So I'll have to take that recipe and put it in my back pocket, my recipe box.
There you go.
All right. Well, thank you, Felicia.
Yeah, thanks for having me.